Hello everyone and welcome to another Claude tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to connect Miro with Claude. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So all we have to do is to go here to Claude, bottom left hand side, select settings. Now here we're going to go to connectors, and here we're going to say browse connectors. We're going to use the search bar to look for Miro. We are going to click on Miro, and the last step is to simply click on connect. We're going to log in, authorize the tool, and that's it. That's how easy it is to connect Miro with Claude. Now, before you get started, you can have a look at tools and prompts. Everything that you see here is what currently Claude can do together with Miro. Board get items, context get board docs, and so forth. All these things are basically functions that Claude can execute together with Miro. Ideally, you should have a conversation with Claude. Claude can explain what everything means, and you can also discover more opportunities on how you can work together with Miro. So that's it. That's all for this video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye, everyone.